Drew here from Automation for Agencies with Kushal, the founder of Poco Motion, trying to find out if rendering AI video on your own hardware actually changes the agency production workflow, or if no cloud queue is just clever positioning. If you don't know me, I'm Drew, over 15 years in design, the last 3 running my own agency. In this video, you'll find out how Poco reads a client deck or landing page and builds a polished motion video in under 60 seconds, why local rendering changes the math on agency video production, and whether the chat editor actually beats a traditional timeline. Let's get into it. Hi, everybody. I'm here with Kushal, and we're here from Poco Motion. How you doing today, Kushal?
I'm doing good, Mr. Dew. Thanks for hosting me here. I'm doing good. How
Of,
was your day?
of course. I'm doing good. Very excited to talk to you about Poco Motion. Tell me something. Why was this? How did you come up with this idea?
Yeah, so this is my second venture. We launched an AI girlfriend platform, which we scaled to a good amount last year, and we needed a lot of demo videos, right? So it was very hard for us to find a video editor, and we were really struggling to find a good video editor who also doesn't charge like thousands of dollars per video. So that was the reason we built the software. We went through two pivots, but finally it's there. It's a desktop app, and people can simply create their videos in like less than $5. So that's really cool for people to just make very cool
So
videos.
thanks, Kushal. Basically, it's app that helps you make video.
True.
Now, let's get right into it because I'm just very excited to see how this app works. So what we'll do, we're going to do a live demo and also discuss some of the agency features. That sound good?
Definitely, definitely.
Awesome.
So should I share my screen?
Yeah, of course. Yeah, share your screen and then we'll do a live demo because I know it takes 10 to 12 minutes to get these videos rendered, and then we could still talk while
Got
it's
it.
baking in the background.
Okay, so is my screen visible? Can you just confirm
Yes,
once?
thank you.
Perfect. So yeah, hi everyone. This is Poco Motion. Once you download the desktop app, this is the UI how it looks to you. You can see there are the main 5 options along with all the video content which you have generated. I'll be showing really cool stuff, so just bear with me. So yeah, first feature is I want to point out one thing. It's a total desktop app. Everything stays locally. You don't need to upload anything on cloud. No data risk, nothing. Everything stays local. We don't track it, we don't track any stuff. All the content stays just with you. You can upload PDFs or even important PDFs, and we do not store anything on our servers. Everything is simply local. So yeah, as you can see, there are 4 features. So we technically allow repo to video, URL to video, PPT, PDF, and also research paper as well. So mostly for the agencies, I think URL to video or PDF to video would be a very killer feature. So I'll be showing it as well. But mostly just to summarize, the repo to video is basically you have a folder, you have all the assets, you have like images, you have PDF, you have PPT, or you have a code repository. So you can simply give that folder to it. A repo is basically a folder, and it will just generate, it will research, it will just do its stuff, it will try to think, and then it will generate a cool motion video for the folder. The URL to video is a very simple feature. You just type in your URL and simply click on create, which will be showing you, and it just creates a cool motion video or an explainer video for your clients or even your website as well. Same with PPT and PDF, you can simply upload it, and same for research paper as well. So going through all the content, so this is your content card, and this is how it works. So what I'll do is, first let's get started. Maybe I'll just give my website for now. The website is, by the way, popo.video, and I simply click on create video here, and it will take around 5 to 10 seconds to set the project up. And yeah, there we go. So you see 2 options here. User can create a product walkthrough of the demo, or they can also create a motion ad. So motion ad is a very high paced ad. It's like 30 to 40 seconds at maximum. Of course, tune it by changing the duration or just specifying it. But product walkthrough is generally 1 or 1.2 minutes or something. So let's say I click on this one, and this is how the studio looks like. So this is the key area where you do all the stuff, all the magic happens, and this is the biggest, like, big preview player which you see on the screen. I'll be showing you all the features, but right now you can see this is the chat window, this is the chat history, everything is just chat. You don't need to edit anything manually, just tell the AI and AI will do it. Here it shows your credit balance. These balances are to be used for background music and sound effects generation, plus your AI actual LLM usage. So we do not charge any markup right now, and whatever cost goes, let's say for the Claude Opus 4.8 model, it will simply reflect it in your usage page. You also have these things, so you can simply click on usage and get the actual usage out of it. You also have an option to change various models, so that's also possible. We recommend Opus 4.8 since that gives the best quality output, but you are also free to use Sonnet and other models as well. So we prefer in general Opus or Sonnet. So just feel free to try out any of the stuff. So in Opus, it costs around $5 a video, less than $5, including background music, sound effects, and voiceovers, everything. But it can go up to $8 or $9 depending on the edits which you are giving it on each turn. So that's mostly it. So we can just get started by writing as simple prompt as build a killer SaaS demo for the website. That's it. I just press enter and you'll see it will just work. It's happening in the background. So you don't need to wait here. A video generation takes around 12 minutes or something because we do a lot of research. The agent is doing a lot of research, by the way. So you can simply just minimize the screen and do your work. It will just keep on doing it. I'll show you some more features. Like, so this is the voice one. You can change the voices here. These are some of the options which are disabled while the video has started. As you can see, the agent is capturing the website. It will capture screenshots. It will also take a screenshot of the website, extract the brand colors and everything else. Also the images or fonts as well. So it does a pretty great job in researching of the entire website, all under $5. So yeah, these are all the options. So this is also one of the options called show beat sheet. Rest are very self-understandable. So beat sheet is basically a storyboard where you just switch it on and the agent doesn't generate the video on the first run. It will simply show you the storyboard and it will ask you. It can cost some extra credits, but yeah, we just to make it faster, you can just switch it off. By default, we switch it off. So that's mostly how it's gonna be doing. Let's go back while it's working and let's go to the settings page. So this is the settings page. We have these settings here. You can of course use your Poco credits or you can also bring your own keys. We do have BYOK options if you want to have more control. You can connect your Claude subscriptions as well. This is the feature which we launched just today. So simply click on connect. It will redirect to your Claude website. And if you have a Pro or Max subscription, simply connect it and feel free to use that. You can also bring your own Anthropic or OpenAI API keys. We also support various API AI gateways, including OpenRouter, Vercel, OpenCode, etc. Simply just point out, we do have some descriptions as well. If you guys are having your local setup and you have a great local, like a good GPU based setup, and you are using local models, simply point the base URL and it's like now you are free to run any number of videos because it's not costing you on cloud. These are some of the experimental providers, XAI, Gemini, or Cerebras, but these we don't recommend because the output is only great with some of the Chinese models, including GLM, or in fact, Anthropic performs the best out of everyone else. Next are the voices. You can also bring your own keys. So people who have already brought some subscription of like LTD deals of Strico, they are shutting down. But yeah, we have given an option of using the voices from Strico. Feel free to use it. You can bring in your 11 Labs keys, Cartesia keys. These options gives you, you can simply give your own voice IDs. Or you can use our own Poco voices as well. We use Cartesian behind the scenes internally, but you are free to use your own keys as well. We also provide an option of cloning your voice. So you can simply upload your audio or just record your voice directly here. Just give it a name, give consent, and there you go. So these are some of my voices which I've created. One good thing is that you just need like around 10 to 12 seconds of audio to record a voice and it will just do it for you. You don't need minutes long audio to record, and it's pretty great as well. We have some of the settings which we showed you here as well. And of course, this is the pretty great feature which we launched today. It's MCP servers. This can like scale your content production at a very different level. So this was one of the MCP servers which I used. Post proxy, I just connected it. Now once the video is generated, I can simply ask in the chat, hey, check out the generated video and post it on YouTube. It will just connect it I mean, I've already connected on their MCP on their website. It will simply post it to YouTube, LinkedIn, Twitter, Instagram, everywhere. So you can connect your Slack, send videos on Slack, connect GitHub, Linear, any other tool, get the data, get Google Drive, or there is a good feature of Meta as well, or Google Ads as well. So Google Ads and Meta also provide their own MCP servers. So technically, you can just generate videos from Poco and publish them on Meta and Google Ads using Poco directly. They have a solid MCP server, so you can just integrate it. So this opens a lot of opportunities. So next is these stuff. These just redirect to the homepage of the website. That's it. And now what I'll be doing is I'll go to projects. As you can see, this project is currently generating. What I'll do is I'll also generate another video. Let's say I just give this one and I create a video and it's just setting it up. So this feature is, by the way, a lot useful for agency owners if they want to scale their content production. And I just gave it a prompt. I went back and you can see this is generating all at once. So with agencies, with the agency plan offers, you get up to 5 parallel agents. And if you go to this option particularly, you can see your content production in real time. So this is how it's happening there. You can see 2 of the contents are getting generated. It's completely real time. And these are all the content which were already generated. If it gives you a clean Figma like board, which is an unlimited canvas, you can organize your, work by your clients or your workspaces by simply typing text, just by double clicking it or adding them. So yeah, it's pretty useful in that sense. You can just click on text here and it will just work out of the box. You can drag and drop any content anywhere, so you can simply organize. One of the most features which we have is client workspaces. So for this, I would need to go on the website. Now on my website. So if you can see, I'm right now on my website here. This is how the usage panel looks like. You can track all your usages here. You can see these were, in general, it costed these many. I made some more edits, so it costs more. But yeah, in general, $5 to $6 is what you can think of. This is a team feature for agencies where you can just invite your members. Simply share this link. They can get invited. You can kick them off. And also you can set quota per member. That's also possible. You can just anytime recharge credits on Poco itself, and that's it. So this is pretty might be useful. You have up to 5 team members, and this is how it scales. So yeah, I think it's super easy to create content with Poco. Just use it to create content, scale it, and yeah, I think that was mostly it about the demo. I'd also like to show you some of the videos which we have created. So many of them are not yet exported, but this was one of the videos which I created. So I'll just show you. It's a 2-minute video, but I'll just show my staff simply sign in with their email and password to reach their dashboard. The school admin lands on a clean, friendly home screen with 2 clear choices: manage accounts for adding and managing teachers. So yeah, if you can see, we move across to classrooms. Creating one is as easy as choosing a grade and subject, a section, and any remarks you. So as you can see, it also added automatically some sound effects as well, like mouse click, keyboard typing, whoosh effects, and all those stuff. So AI simply does it automatically. Even the background music was added automatically. You didn't have to do anything. If you want to upload your own background music, you can do it. Even the voice was mine as a cloned one. I did not actually record it, and it took just 15 minutes to build the video. That's it. And it was just done in like $8 because the length of the video is 2 minutes, so it was costing around $8. So and the UI is exactly the same. I mean, it was generated from a code repo, of course, so it just replicated all the UI. I have more examples to show you, so maybe I'll show you one or two as well. This is their landing page, by the way.
I think we get the gist. Yeah, we get the gist. Now, if you would exit out of this mode, and then we'll come back to it to watch the video.
Perfect.
So I just got a couple questions, but thanks for that demo. Very thorough. From an agency point of view, you could offer these services as a client. You could add your team members, and you could have your own. Is it a workspace per client, or is it just a workspace you're putting all the
Yeah.
videos on?
Yeah, so currently we have requests from people to give a client workspaces. It's not implemented yet, but let's say in next 5 to 6 days that would be implemented. So we are in the process of just building it. So yeah, it would be done. But for now, people can simply use the agent canvas and organize their projects at least so that they look organized.
Awesome, Kashal. Glad to know that Workspace is coming, and then I assume you could brand the client's logo and whatever they want.
Definitely.
Awesome.
Also, with
That's
the
what
client
it,
workspaces, by the way, we are also giving an option to bring their own brand kit. So people can simply upload logos, brand colors, everything, or give just the AI, just give the website URL. It will auto generate and people can simply edit it. So that just stays for there automatically, and for all further videos, those brand kits would be used as well.
Mhm. I noticed a lot of these companies are adding MCP access. What does that do? Can you
Got it.
explain that in like plain English to people,
Yes.
like the power of that?
Okay. So basically, AI is just a huge brain which has all the information inside it. So that's what AI is. And what we want to do is MCP allows the AI agent to connect to external services like Slack, Gmail, Google Drive, or Facebook ads, everything. So basically, with the power of MCP, you are getting basically you can put in everything. I mean, just the video is generated by AI, and you can do all sort of you can connect to external workspaces. So let's say there's a Meta ad MCP where the video generated can be directly posted on Meta ads. It will chat with you, what audience to track. It will suggest you as well, and then you can just say, "Hey, publish the video as an ad," and it will just do it. You want to post it on YouTube, just connect it through MCP, and it will connect the AI with YouTube and post it automatically. So it gives the automation at like another level.
Got it. Got it. Okay, so from an agency perspective, it can do everything. I'm waiting on the workspaces, which will make it the complete agency tool to
Definitely, that's coming
work with
soon.
clients. Okay, awesome. All right, now let's go back to the. You think the video's rendered yet or no?
No, I think we need more time.
Okay, good, good. Because I got a few more questions. What's on the roadmap?
Yeah, so we have a lot of things on the roadmap. Like we were just improving it. So one of the killer features which we are building is Animation Maker. So currently everything is AI. So AI decides what animations to pick, what to add, and all that stuff. So we'll be giving a templated library of all the animations like typography, transitions, everything. You can just tag it. Just tag the template, bring it down, and AI will build it. Second is memory, where people can add their personal system prompts, and AI will know the memory. So AI will evolve based on your choices per brand. So let's say you built this kind of a video for a brand, AI knows and AI will chat with you that, hey, do you want to build the content something like you built last 2 days ago or something like that. So those are some of the features. Second is like for YouTubers or also people like I record a video, I can simply edit it. Like there are some screens here, white spaces. I can add motion here on top of me, and all those stuff would be there as well. Plus, we are also considering UGC ads. So UGC with motion combined, of course, not just UGC because that's pretty much standard there. So UGC plus motion is what we are focusing on the next 1 month.
So, Kashal, this is a fairly new app. How has it been received?
Yeah, it's received well by the community. We launched on 2nd of June originally, and we have been like constantly getting a lot of feedbacks, a lot of feedbacks. We are like, I think around 4.5 on Trustpilot, and people are using it for a lot of purposes. More than 85% of our users are agency owners because what they do is they simply have a lot of clients. They just scale their video production. So simply put the resources of the client, generate videos, and sell it to their clients. So yeah, that's a really great part for agency owners. We have been very like fast in developing features and solving bugs as well. And like we are 24 hours online. So I work late at night, and my co-founder works in the morning. So it's like 24 hours giving support to everyone.
Sure, sure. Okay. What do you think? You think the video's rendered now or not?
Let me just check once. Okay, I think it will take another 6 minutes, 5 minutes or something.
Okay, it's been a few minutes. Let's see what
Right.
we
Let's see
have.
the output of the recently generated video. I'll just share my screen,
Sure, thank you.
and there you go. So this is the video. Just tell me if the audio is also audible.
This is Poco Motion. Run any repo.
Could you hear the audio?
Yeah, I can hear it.
website PDF or slide deck into a polished motion video. Just point Coco at your source. The AI agent scans it, extracts your brand, and writes a script. Then it builds every scene, adds motion, and updates the live preview as you watch. Don't like something? Just chat. Make it faster. Change the colors. And more zoom. The agent edits the video and re-renders instantly. And it all runs on your machine. An M series Mac renders 30 seconds of video in under a minute. No upload through. No upload wait. No render fees. Work across one Figma style canvas with agents running in parallel and a smart cube. Your code never leaves your device. Only the tokens the model needs ever travel. Indie hackers, marketers, editors, and agencies ship more video faster. Plans start at $25 a month. Download PocoMotion for Mac or Windows. Your machine, your files, your video. So I think this was the video, and it technically copied the assets from the website itself.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
That was the one you just put in a URL, right?
The URL, exactly. If I would have
Yeah.
given my code access, it would have done, it would have been improved by 2x. But yeah, it took all the pricing and everything from the website directly. So
Okay. How's the other one doing, the other video?
the other one is probably done. Let me just check. Some conversations decide everything. Yeah, it's done. So maybe
Excellent. Let's check it out.
should we show that video as well?
Yeah, let's check it out, Kushal. Thank you.
Okay, so this is the second video of the product called Tuftung AI. I just click on play. Some conversations decide everything. The high stakes pitch. By the way, the voice used was my own clone voice. As you can see, the voice of this video and how I'm speaking. So it's just my clone voice. The make or break it.
Okay.
The hard talk with your team. Tuftung AI lets you rehearse every one of them. No more winging it. No more cold starts. Build production ready voice agents in just minutes. They see your expressions and they hear your tone. This is far more than voice AI. Real agents with slides, whiteboards, diagrams, and code. Deploy on phone, Google Meet, Zoom, or the web. White label the whole experience with 4 lines of code. Ship your AI teammates in days, not weeks. Loved by founders, operators, and leaders. Rated 5 stars.
I'm excited to see where you're going to go with this. And really appreciate your time walking us through a demo. And thanks for being on the show, man.